Hello guys. Yes, if you're looking for the design and production service for the luggage store, you come to the right place. Because what we can exactly do is to make design and production one-stop service. So let's go visit this store project for the luggage. So this will be the middle display stand for the luggage for the handbag. Yes, we can design any structure if you want. And this is just for an example. Use the wooden table and the golden mirror stainless steel. Yes. Okay, let's see the round display. Let's see this one. This one will be a round window display. Yes, it's used for the window display, and the shape is the round one, and the mirror stainless steel and the wooden materials. Yes, and look at the laminates, look at the layers. Yes, the lighting effects. Yes, will be a warm color lighting effect, so the wall, the entire project looks very luxury style. Yes, and we go to the shelf. Yes, and the materials, the entire store materials will be the mirror stainless steel, and look at the gold frame and the material quality. And look at the top. Look at the top of the shelves. Yes, if we want to show different logo, and if you need to stick different logo on the shelves, we can do something like that. So the entire shelves is conductive system. So what does that mean? Any accessories can be power on whatever you move it to anywhere, any outlets. Yes, let's see the next one. Yes, the next one will be the drawers. Yes, it's suitable for the luggage. Yes, you can put the luggage here, and it's like a structure of the drawers. And you can pull it out and get it in. Okay. Let's see this one. This one will be the marble materials laminates. And it has a gold frame. So this one is a middle display stand. It looks also very luxury. Yes. Okay, let's see this. This also the middle display stand for the luggage, and it's also gold frame with white painted MDF. Yes, it's for the middle display luggage stand. Yes, and this one is a little different. This one made of glass, tempered glass, and gold frame. It's also a middle display stand for the luggage, and it's also suitable for the handbag display. Yes, depends on whatever you want to put. Okay, let's see this one. So we need you to provide the logo you want, so we can display in this area. Yes, we can display in this area. Yes, so this one will be a light box, and the logo will be in front of this box. Yes, and it will looks like these items. Yes, the items on the tops. You see it? Okay. Okay, let's see this. Now we are doing example, just like this one. Yes, we will check. We are checking the power. Yes, and it seems that it now looks good and works well. And before the shipment, we'll give you a double confirm, and we will check anything else, check everything that before the shipment, make them in good condition before the shipment. Okay, and this one, look at this one. Yes, this one got a glasses H and white painted NDF. So this one is for the wallets. For the wallets, and you can put wallets here, here, and here. Yes, and the bottom will be the storage with lock. And inside, you can put some wallets under this storage. And for safety reason, yes, we can add lock for you, and it can be put out when it's locked. Okay, and the key will be provided as an accessories for you. Okay. Okay, that's all. Yes.